My eyelashes have been looking really bad recently, so I think it's time to perm them. I got my handy dandy lash lift kit. My setup just failed me and my light's about to die, so this is perfect timing. I'm using the M2 lifting pads, and I'm gonna be using Duo lash glue because I don't like the glue that the kits come with. It just doesn't work as well on my lashes. I'm starting by putting the glue on the inside of the lifting pad. Honestly, the hardest part is getting this stupid thing to stick on your eye or your eyelid. Like what? I kind of just like take my finger and push it up against the lifting pads first. And then I take this tool that comes in the kit and I start to make my eyelashes like straight. I finished this side and you can tell that the Duo lash glue is a little bit messy, but the end result is a lot better in my opinion. A lot of people would probably say that doing your own lash lift is really dangerous, and they're probably right, but I just don't want to spend $70 or $80 every single time I want a lash lift done. That is expensive. But I've been doing my own lash lift since I was like 16, so it's been like 6 years. The smell never gets better. I'm gonna take the perming solution and put it at the base of my lashes. Don't bring it all the way to the top. And I like to keep the perming solution on for 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so time for the second solution. This one smells like chlorine. I'm gonna put the solution right at the base where I put the perming one. I remember being in middle school and junior high, and I would literally spend 30 minutes on my eyelashes every single morning. And it was pretty much pointless because as soon as I would step outside, my lashes would go boop. It was actually even worse than that because one side would be like boop and the other side would be like whoosh. So they were just so uneven. I'm gonna keep this solution on my eyelashes for the same amount of time that I had the perming solution on, so 15 minutes. Jump scare with the hair. Ooh, that rhymed. Time to take off the solutions. Time to put on the nutrition solution. I'm pretty sure this is just an oil. And I'm gonna let this sit on my eyelashes for like 5 minutes. Okay, moment of truth to see the eyelashes. We're gonna remove the glue. Really gotta wiggle. This part is so satisfying. Oh, what the? And sometimes I'll take this and just like brush up my eyelashes. And voila. I honestly don't feel like they look that great on camera, but trust me, when I put mascara on, it'll be good. Okay, it's the next day, so I want to try applying mascara to see what that looks like. I really need to work on applying my mascara because I got so much on my lid. And this is what my eyelashes look like. So much better. If you have naturally curly eyelashes or your eyelashes can at least hold a curl, I am so jealous of you. My